He's here taking the goose. This is what holds the food.
Mm-hmm.
This is what holds the food. Oh, he's gonna be a big chicken. This is what holds the food right here. Boy, it's a tough chicken. Cut this off. That's the head. So this here is what holds the food. And this is how it goes down. That's his goose. Then you cut this off. This is the oil bag. That's where all the fat goes in. Here, this, you have to cut along here. To be able to cut him out whole, if you cut him whole. You have to get in there and grab hold of his collar.
Come on. Get right here. Whoa, whoa now. Got right there so you can see.
Cut the chicken head? Are they gonna cut the chicken head?
Watch out. You guys just listen. She gonna tell you what.
You should have told us to come.
Well, you should have been here.
She should have told us that she was about to cut the chicken head. And we would have came.
See? That's where the colon is located.
Oh, I need to go get the camera. I'm about to go get the camera.
Then you cut it right here to take the innards out. Right below his thighs, you cut it to get the innards.
Tell Risa and Chantal to come here. Now, give me Risa and Chantal.
Push this through. Bring it out through here. And you put your hands on the inside and tear all the innards from the wall.
Okay.
Tear all the innards from the wall. Then if this ain't a fat chicken.
Okay, well I know they got collars and shit in there already.
Ooh, that grease.
Here's what they've been having the problem
That's
with.
nasty.
It's boiling now. If she can make it back and put the rice in there, it's boiling. Is Tat coming now? Tell her pot is boiling. Is Tat coming? Tell her pot's boiling.
Come over here, look.
Right, she's getting it done, I tell you.
It don't smell all so good, but
She's getting it done. I tell you.
Hope you don't come back to that though.
you taking his insides
I hope
out.
it don't, but you know what?
You taking his insides out.
The way it's getting in this day and time, it may come back to it. That's why these kids need to go. See, Isha already know how to do this stuff. And I'm telling you right now, the same way she knows, everybody else needs to know just like she knows. Y'all come on.
This is gross. Gross as heck.
It's not that bad.
It ain't bad, honey. It ain't that bad.
Oh!
Plus, we don't know what life is going to bring us, and we could come back to this one, you know?
All the stuff around the
Yeah, it ain't that bad. It's not that bad. It ain't that bad.
It's just like that's it in a duck or
You ever you ever seen somebody clean fish?
That's the
I bet he does. I know he does.
That's the heart.
Yes.
the heart.
Ooh, a little heart.
Yeah, chicken got a small
That's the
heart.
heart.
Yeah, he got a small heart, Chris. I forgot you was city boy. Yeah, this
got
is
that
a city
girl?
boy.
Now.
This city boy. Let the city boy look too. we
We
got
already-
city
Spread out,
boy.
something spread out.
Got two. I believe Gary seen more than he have. But
This is the lungs. What's
Y'all
that?
ain't seen nothing.
This is
You see
lung
the
behind
streets
the
of
heart.
Newark.
That's a lung.
The rice in there? Rice in there yet, Joe?
lung.
And you know what?
It don't have anything left inside the chicken except blood.
Do the other one.
Processed stuff, blowing them up.
You buying chickens at the store?
That's why we
Full of them.
You missed it. We cut. You missed it when we cut that. We cut one of the heads off.
Ain't no chemicals in that.
You know some of that stuff that they, but now we, you know some of that stuff that they
It's organic. What you doing?
No, they still do it. My auntie did it when she was I do it.
See,
I just
cut the neck off.
Y'all